Hi everyone and welcome to Tax Matters. I'm Deanna and this is a series where we bring you the latest tax news from IRAS and speak with our IRAS officers who will answer your commonly asked questions so that you can be more tax savvy and plan your finances ahead for you and your family. Today we're going to be learning more about tax deductions that you can claim to reduce your tax bills, as well as the new initiatives lined up for our self-employed and sole proprietors. So come, let's find someone to speak with.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, we're looking for officers from the individual income tax team to answer some questions. Would you be able to help us out with that?
Yes, I'm Jing. Follow me.
Alright, thanks. Okay, so first question. Many Singaporeans have been working from home and some might be interested to find out, can they claim these home expenses as tax deductions?
Yes, you can claim additional running expenses on electricity and telecommunication charges that you have incurred last year. But remember, these must be incurred for work purposes and you must not have been reimbursed by your employer.
How can we make these claims, and what if there is more than one person working from home?
You can compare your bills from before and after you started working from home, with the difference to be claimed as a tax deduction. If you were working from home in April, you can compare the expenses incurred against that in March and claim the difference as a deduction. If there were more than one person working from home, you can divide the additional expenses by the number of persons working from home and apportion accordingly. For example, a total allowable deduction of $170 for 2 people working from home will mean that each person would be allowed to claim $85.
Thanks for clarifying. And what is the process for making these claims, and will we need to submit supporting documents?
You will need to fill in these expenses under the employment expenses in your income tax return when e-filing. Remember to keep expense records for 5 years, as IRAS may request for these documents.
Alright, and one last burning question from our taxpayers. Are these work expenses that we are allowed to deduct from our tax bill only restricted to the circuit breaker period of April to June 2020?
No, it's not limited to the circuit breaker period. You can claim the additional expenses incurred throughout the entire period that you were required to work from home.
Alright, so let's move on to the new initiatives introduced this tax season. What can we look forward to?
We are pleased to share that IRAS has extended the no filing service to eligible commission agents as well as taxi and private hire car drivers this tax filing season. The selected group must have joined the pre-filling of income scheme, which means their income information will be pre-filled in their tax returns. Those on the no filing service will not need to file a tax return unless they wish to make changes to their income details or redeem claims. All they will have to do is wait for the tax bill from May onwards.
That's great! Is there any other new initiative?
Yes, we're always looking for ways to make things easier for the small businesses. This year, IRAS has increased the revenue threshold for the two-line statement from 100,000 to 200,000 for sole proprietorships. This means that more sole proprietors can benefit from filling in less fields in their tax returns.
Thank you, Jing, for sharing with us the new initiatives this tax season. Join us next time in our series, Tax Matters. Until then, stay safe and get tax savvy. Bye!